In a previous video, I showed you how to take a swift whole beef tenderloin and break it down into fillets. Today, I'm going to make steak au poivre, which is one of my favorite staple dishes to do with fillets. I've seasoned it with kosher salt and lots of fresh cracked black pepper. And I do mean lots. It's called steak au poivre for a reason. In a hot cast iron skillet that's been brushed with a high smoke point oil, place your steaks, making sure you leave space in between to ensure they do not steam done and they get a nice crust. Flip them over and then put in some butter. I put in about 3 tabs of butter here and basted them to ensure I get that nice peppercorn crust. Check the temperature, and once you're within 10 degrees of your desired temperature, you need to add that cognac. I've got a half cup of good quality cognac here. Let the flames burn off the alcohol and then remove your steaks and let them rest. Stir in 1/2 cup of half and half or heavy cream, stirring until it thickens to a nice consistency. Once that's done, drizzle that over your steak au poivre and enjoy that creamy goodness and that bite of black pepper. This sauce is also delicious on mashed potatoes. Now take that quality control bite and you know it's delicious because it's swift.